Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Rocket Money Premium. If you are trying to cancel Rocket Money Premium and you are not sure how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to cancel Rocket Money Premium on your iPhone. First, open the Rocket Money app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, look for your profile icon or menu button, usually in the top corner. Tap on it, then tap settings. Now look for the button that says cancel premium, cancel membership or manage subscription. Tap it and follow the instruction on the screen. Rocket Money may ask you to confirm. If Rocket Money sends you to your iPhone setting, that means you are subscribed through Apple. If that happens, here's what to do. Open your iPhone setting, tap your Apple ID at the top, then tap subscription, find Rocket Money, tap it and tap cancel subscription. After you cancel, your premium plan usually stays active until the end of your billing period. That means you won't be charged again, but you can still use premium feature until the plan expires. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.